Is your Telegram app freezing frequently and not working? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue. One common reason your Telegram app may freeze is because your device storage is full. Here's what you can do. 1. Check your storage. Go to your phone settings and select Device Care or a similar option on your device. Check your storage space. If it's nearly full, delete unwanted files, folders, or large files to free up some space. Once you clear the storage, the app should start working normally. 2. Check app permissions and clear cache/data. Open your phone settings and go to Apps. Scroll down and find Telegram. Tap on it. Make sure all required permissions are enabled. If Telegram doesn't have the necessary permissions, it may not function properly. Next, go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This will refresh the app and fix any bugs or glitches. After following these steps, your Telegram app should work smoothly again. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.